Did you know that artificial intelligence is not just reshaping industries but is also causing a stir in the world of competitive sports? Today, we're diving into how AI is influencing everything from esports to the workforce and why it matters for our future. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're exploring three fascinating stories that highlight the intersection of AI and various fields. First, we'll look at Wales' first esports world champion and his hopes of breaking into Formula One. Then we'll discuss a young NASCAR driver on the brink of greatness. And finally, we'll tackle the resistance of Indian workers against AI replacements. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about Otis, Wales' first esports world champion. This was reported by BBC News on July 18, 2026. Otis recently clinched a championship win on racing simulators, and he believes this victory could open up doors in the real-world motorsport arena, specifically Formula One. It's a bold ambition, but it underscores a significant trend. Virtual skills are becoming more relevant in physical sports. As esports gain traction, the lines between virtual and real competition are blurring. Otis's journey shows that AI and sophisticated algorithms used in simulators can train athletes to refine their skills in ways we never thought possible. The implications? We could see a new wave of hybrid athletes emerging in various sports, creating exciting new career paths for gamers and traditional athletes alike. Next, let's shift gears to NASCAR. Layne, a 24-year-old driver for Front Row Motorsports, is making waves in the Truck Series this season, as highlighted by USA Today on the same date. Riggs is not just aiming for a title, he's eyeing a potential seat in the NASCAR Cup Series. What's fascinating here is how AI technology is playing a role in motorsports. Teams are utilizing AI-driven analytics to optimize vehicle performance and driver strategies. This means young talents like Riggs can leverage data in ways older generations could only dream of. If he continues to succeed, Riggs could become a pioneer in a new era of data-driven racing. Just imagine how AI is not only changing the dynamics of the sport, but also how it's preparing the next generation of drivers for high-stakes competition. Now, let's turn our attention to a more serious issue reported by Open Democracy on the same day. In India, workers are actively resisting efforts to train AI systems that could potentially replace them. This resistance highlights a significant challenge in the age of AI: the balance between technological advancement and job security. Workers are pushing back against what they see as a threat to their livelihoods, and this movement offers valuable lessons for other nations facing similar pressures. The struggle reflects a growing awareness of surveillance capitalism, where technology increasingly monitors and controls the workforce. As we embrace AI's capabilities, we must also consider the ethical implications and the impacts on workers' rights. This ongoing discourse is vital as we navigate a future where AI plays a central role in our work lives. To sum up today's insights: 1. AI is transforming sports by blending virtual skills with real-world competition, as seen in Otis's journey from esports to Formula One. Young athletes like Layne are leveraging AI analytics to gain a competitive edge in NASCAR, indicating a shift towards data-driven sports. The resistance of Indian workers against AI training reveals the challenges we face in balancing technology and job security, emphasizing the need for ethical considerations in AI development. As we navigate this AI-driven era, it's crucial to keep in mind the human element and how technology impacts our lives and careers. If you found today's discussion insightful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more updates on how technology is changing our world, and I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the balance between AI innovation and job security? Comment below. Let's keep the conversation going.